behind the counter.
Okay,
That's the one you've got.
we'll catch up with him later.
It's a hard course, I think it's Yeah, I'm really grateful for PCSO Dallas to bring us along to the Outward Bound Trust. It's just amazing. I'd never even heard of the place till we came along. Really pleased we've got had those introductions with Al here, who runs the site. We've been fortunate to see some young people coming along for a week, or even some of them are on a 19 days break. They have like a different sort of programs for different levels of people's ability. But that was really encouraging to see, you know, a lot of positives from this visit here, especially with the Outward Bound Trust. And I'm really keen to see how that could be explored further, making some introductions with the partners and organisations who we already work with, and just trying to link them in and seeing what we can come up with between us all. So, you know, I'm really keen into developing that more of a substantive and quite collegiate group of organisations in North Wales, to try and make it a bit more sustainable as we're looking ahead to the future. So yeah, really interested to see how things go here. Got a lot of ideas going through my mind now, and who I think will benefit from this. And hopefully those who see the video as well, if you're one of the organisations who we already work with, or we've been involved in supporting what you're doing in your communities through Innovate to Grow, please get in touch with my office as well, and we can make those connections and see what we can do for the future.